Hi. Okay, so for this video, we will have the content management system step by step. So here we will have the step 1, which is the hosting. So first, we should sign up on a free web hosting website. So here we are going to use infinityfree.net. So just go to this website and sign up. Okay, so just click sign up now. Then next, after clicking sign up now, so you will be redirected to the register page. Okay, so just fill it up, then create new account. After creating new account, this is now your page. Okay, so next is click the button here, create account, or the create an account now link. Next, you select the domain type, subdomain, so that it is free, and then you can select domain extension. So since this is just an image I placed a while back, I cannot use the scroll here, but you can select any domain extension. And then subdomain, so on your subdomain you can use your name or any subdomain that you want to use. For me, I have used the class code of our subject. So I use ITWM136. Then after that, just click search domain. If your subdomain and domain extension is available, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so it says here the domain itwm136.infinityfreeapp.com is available. Okay, so with this one, this is now my website URL, itwm136.infinityfreeapp.com. So that would be my website URL. Okay, next we should create an account, username and password. So the username, it is generated automatically by the system. So just create an account password. So any password that you want, just between 8 and 15 characters. Okay, then just click create account. After that, after creating an account, you will be redirected to another page wherein your account has been created. Okay, so your account has been created. So this is now your username. And then after that, you can click the view in client area here, so that you will be redirected to this page. So this page is where you can click your control panel, your file manager, you can edit your account, and you can also deactivate it. So you can see here that we're setting up your account. So this will take up to 10 minutes to be set up. Okay, so just wait for it. After 10 minutes, this is now what you can see. So it is already set up. And another note, it says here, it can take up to 72 hours for a new domain name to start working. Okay, so it means that your website itwm136.infinityfreeapp.com can only be accessed after that hours. But for this domain that I just created, so it took up to 5 hours to be working. But while waiting for that, you can already go to control panel. So just click control panel, and then after clicking control panel, you will be asked with this terms. So just approve in order for you to be redirected to the control panel. Okay, after you click approve, you will be redirected to this page, which is what we call a cPanel or a control panel. The next URL or button that you are going to click here is this one, free FTP software, because we are going to use FTP to upload our files. I tried using the online file manager, but it encounters a problem, so we're going to use this free FTP software. So once you click that, you will be redirected to a page where you can see different list of free FTP softwares. Okay, so it has here FTP software that is recommended, but for me, I use the WinSCP for Windows. But you can use any other FTP that we have here on the list. Okay, so just download the any FTP and then install it to your computer. So for the next video, it would be the step 2, the installing of the WordPress application using FTP.